Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do simple hairstyle for your Barbie. So for this hairstyle we need a comb, a plastic rubber band and your favorite Barbie doll. So first we will take the brush and comb it well. Make sure there are no tangles or the hairstyle will not be so nice and easy to make. And then I take the rubber band and make a normal ponytail. To stretch the hair from above the ponytail, like this. Then put the ponytail into that circle. And put it nicely so when you have the hairstyle it can look nice. And then it can even cover the rubber band, but it's not necessary that it has to cover the rubber band. So you have put the ponytail in nicely, you will get this kind of hairstyle. Then you brush the ponytail. And you're done. And you're done. So this is the final review. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. Bye for now. Thank you.